Hello viewers, welcome to Dizi Cashier Business Management Software. I hope you are doing great. Today we are going to learn about one of the most important functions of this software, which is how to add customer and supplier in Dizi Cashier system. So let's start. You can see Dizi Cashier dashboard on my screen. Our objective is to add traders, means customers and suppliers. We can add walk-in customers instantly while making sale, as we learned that in our make sale video tutorial. But as you are new to this system, so you may need to enlist your previous known customers into the system. To do that, we will click on the traders menu followed by customers submenu. A customer list page is opened now. From here, click on the add button at the top right corner of the page. So create new customer page is now opened. First, let's write a customer name, suppose Harry. Then select any customer group. This customer group is previously entered. So if you need any customer group, you can select that. But you can add a new customer group from here by clicking this add button as well. This customer group selection helps to categorize your customer for further purpose like filters, customer group wise database, tracking for extra privileges, etc. Then enter customer code if needed. We are just entering a customer code. We can generate customer code automatically or enter manually as per settings. Then we need to enter a customer contact number. We may also need to enter customer email address and address as well. I'm just leaving it. Here, only customer field is mandatory for customer entry. All other fields are optional or mandatory as per settings. We will learn that later. Now, if this customer has any opening balance, then we can enter here, because you may have previous transactions with your customers. So suppose I'm just typing an opening balance. If the customer balance is receivable, then select due, as you can see in my screen, as opening balance. Otherwise, select advance. If the customer balance is payable, then select the date as opening balance. Now, if we need to declare this customer as a wholesaler, then select this checkbox. By doing this, the item wholesale price will be applied automatically when we sell these items to this customer. We will learn more about that later. Finally, save the customer, and we are being redirected to the customer list. From customer list, we can find any customer by these filters. We can see different information about customer in a different column here. For an example, customer name, contact number, code, its customer group, and that customer's last trading date. Also, we can see customer balances here. And there are different filters above. From lots of customer list, we can filter out any customer by their name or contact number. Okay, we can filter customer by their customer group as well, and also if this customer is active, inactive, or with balance or without balance. Okay. Also, we can edit any customer information if there is any mistake happened while giving customer entry. Also, if we need to see any customer's transaction from here, we can see any customer's transaction history instantly for any date range. See, there is date range. You can change this date range from here. Okay, and you can see the customer history by its sale or its payment or its current balance. Cool, right? Now you may notice payment button here. Okay, receive payment button. We can receive customer due by clicking on this button, but we will learn about payments in our next video. Now let's add a supplier. So we need to click on this supplier sub-menu. Here is the supplier list. Click add button from here. And we are in create new supplier page. Let's write a supplier name. For an example, I'm writing Texotrade. Now everything is same as customer entry. All other fields are same as customer entry, okay? But I'm just writing a contact number. But just one thing I need to distinguish here is frequent item and services. Let's add a few items. These items are already entered into the system. So this feature helps when you regularly purchase same item from any particular supplier. So we don't need to select items all over again while purchasing from this supplier. Just a click of a button and these items will be listed automatically for purchase. So we'll learn more about it later. Let's just save the supplier and we are redirected to the supplier list. From supplier list, we can find any supplier by these filters. So I'm just writing down. So this supplier name came up according to my filter. Also, you can see different supplied information in these columns. It's a contact person, contact number, or last trading date of the supplier, and balance also. Okay, so in this action button there is edit option. If there is any mistake happened while giving entry, then you can change it from here. There is supply discount or credit settlement option. We will learn about that later. And also there is supply transaction history. So we can filter out this all transaction history by any date range. You can see all purchase details and payment details, everything, and current balance. So that's all for traders entry. If your customer database is so big, then there is another way to give traders entry quickly. To do that, we need to click on this import traders sub-menu in trader menu. Click on this download template. The template is downloaded. Now let's open this template, which is an Excel sheet. Now enter your trader details as per the format. See, you can enter all details, customer name. Okay, is it a supplier or a customer? If this is a customer, then you will see. You will select no. If that's a supplier, then you will select yes. Its code, contact number, and opening balance date. Okay, email address, everything. You just write down here, write all your customers and suppliers, and just save this file. Okay. For now, we're skipping it, but for your understanding, I already downloaded and prepared an Excel sheet, which I'm selecting now. To continue, we need to choose files. So I'm selecting that file which I have saved for you earlier. Trader import template. Here, all details you can see, which has been imported from that Excel sheet that I have prepared already. Okay, now save it. Here is the traders list. Okay, you can see all suppliers has been added. Also in customers list, all customers from that Excel sheet has been added. It's pretty quick, right? Okay, so that's all for this learning session. In our next video, we will learn more advanced features and different settings related to features of the software. Thanks for staying with me to the end. Wishes from Dizi Cashier for the prosperity of your business. Good luck.